channel. It's been a long time, and let's just start the video. And this video will be awesome this time. I'm not joking. This is gonna be awesome. So bye. I wonder what time is. What do you want, Luigi? Oh! Oh God! I'll take. Can we buy a puppy? They're so cute. Sure, Luigi. We can buy a puppy. Oh, thank you, Mario. No, we're not buying a puppy. Fine, let's buy a puppy, you crybaby. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mario. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Alright, wonder who's this? Hey, I am Broccoli Tea Guy, and today we sell puppies. Excuse me. What kind of puppies do you want? I mean, we got puppies, like absolutely puppies. We got puppy, we got a fish, we got a bunch of bags of freaking pets. Oh, and some toys are in the Happy Meal. And a bed, and a blanket. So, which dog or pet do you want? What pet do you want? Luigi, which pet do you want? Oh, hey kids who's watching these. Can you tell Mario what I want? A dog! Oh, silly me. He wanted a freaking cat. No, I'm allergic to cat, you piece of nonsense, Luigi, nonsense, okay? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't realize you wanted a puppy. You never asked so. I told you! I knew this would happen. Jeez, I'll be waiting in the car. Okay, what kind of puppy do I want? Well, what's this? Hey! Hey! Ah! What? Oh! Stop! Ow! Oh, okay, I'll take this. I'll adopt this. Oh, she costs free. Oh, thanks. Oh, I'll take this. Come on, let's go. I'm waiting for you. When they got in the house. Oh man, this is the best day of my life. Come on. We can't just always wait. Oh! Stop biting my nose. Alright, you can have fun with this pup. So, anyways, what am I gonna name you? Luigi number 2? No. Daisy? Daisy 2? No. Stop, I'm trying to think. Just put it. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What am I going to name her? Caesarea. That's it. No, that's a gay name. Boop. No. Pork Patch? No. Doggy. No. 1 hour later. Shit. Dumbass. Crap. Done. Second thing too. Dog food. I got the perfect name. Your name is Lily. Hey Lily, what's up? Hey Lily. Lily, what are you doing? I just adopted you. Oh, you're supposed to love me. No, stop biting my nose. Here's some dog food, you know? Here. Hey, I said dog food. Oh no! Stop it. Lily, stop it. Lily, stop it. Stop it! Anyways. Time to put this food back. Yeah, you do that. Jeez. Alright. Since... Wait. Is it edible? This thing is really good, dog. I mean, Lily. I'm just gonna take this with me. Ah! I'm sorry I took your dog food, Lily. Oh! Stop! Oh, my neck! That's my neck! Oh! Stop pulling my hair! Stop it! Stop it, Lily! Stop it! Ah! I'm sorry! Mario! Oh, is your dog? What about your dog? Who's his name? Lily. Lily? Oh, okay. It's an okay name. I'll call it little shit. Hey, little shit. What was he doing? Biting me! Did you see my bite marks? Look, it's all gray. My nose got beat up. Hey, little shit. Don't do that, okay? There, I told her. She might not do it. Are you sure? Hey, little shit. Stop it. What are you doing? You're biting my nose. No, stop biting my nose. Stop. Stop it, little. Stop it, little. Lily, just stop. I'm sorry I took your dog food, but I'm taking the whole bowl. I'ma adopted you, okay? Doings. My dog food now. Ah!